सर आयज ग्राम सभा आशिल्ली कलांगूट पंचायत कितें मेन इश्यूज जे आसले ते रेज जाल्ले आयज.
As actually deliberation bore again, there were some issues, very important issues which has been taken up by the villages. And such a resolution has been very much. And one of that issues is serious things which has been discussed about the sewage pipeline from 2011 to till now, almost around 15 years or more than 15 years. That project is still not completed. 3 वर्षाचा टाइमलाइन आसलो ताका पूण अजून तो ऑपरेशनान पडूंक ना. एंड सेकंड थिंग म्हणटा ते दोज टँकर्स वीच हॅज बीन कमिंग एवरी डे 40 टँकर्स आर कमिंग टू दॅट प्लांट एंड दे रिलीज द सीवेज वॉटर इनटू द रिवर. दॅट इज मोर ऑफ अ कन्सर्न. कित्याक तर कलांगूट म्हाका इज द ट्युरिस्ट हब. जर ते हें उदीक river सोडटा ते ultimately go to the seas and most of the people all over the world come to a Baga beach only to have the sea bath.
Yes.
That is the most important. आणि आम्ही तर ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी केली आणि याच्यात कंट्रोल आली ना. खंय ना खंय तरी ट्युरिझम इज गोइंग टू गेट इफेक्टेड. रिवर बायोडायवर्सिटी इज गोइंग टू गेट इफेक्टेड. Sea biodiversity is going to get affected and ultimately the locals and the tourists who are coming to have the sea bath, they all are going to get affected because these treated water they म्हणटा पण आमकां खबर ना whether it is really treated water, but river of Baga stinks. Ajir, I personally as a CCF president we have followed up this matter. We have written the letters to all the panchayat connected with this river, Arpara, Nagwa and the Calangute. We have written the letters to the Pollution Control Board. We have taken the resolution in the Gram Sabha. We have taken the Panchayat body. We have asked the Panchayat body to take the resolution and communicate this to a Pollution Control Board, and the same thing has been done because with my follow-up. But till date, I think somewhere down the line, Pollution Control Board and department ha पळय ते खंय ना खंय तरी फेल हा की immediate action घेवपाक on this type of things. This is the public issue, this is not the personal issue. Department has to come and work seriously to save this river pollution. If they fail, tomorrow the disaster will come and we ourselves, the administration of the state will be responsible to decline the tourism in the Baga.
So आनी कितें मेजर इश्यूज रेज डावन जाल्ल्यो?
There are nothing at all major issues अशे व्हडलेशे घेवंक ना. But there are few issues were there which has been amicably resolved and the Sarpanch has given the good cooperation to sort out all the issues raised by the people. So I appreciate the Panchayat body for all their cooperation.
Yes sir.
My name is Benedict. I am a villager of Calangute, and we had Gram Sabha today. Had raised this point of we had as you all know, all over Goa we are having a lot of issues with the CRZ, and a lot of families have this uncertainty about this. What is going to happen. The CRZ they have started from Arambol, Anjuna, and it is coming for everyone. Now the thing is that a lot of local fishermen who are traditional fishermen, they had they probably had one son, and then that son had another 3 children, and they have expanded, and their house also has increased. So most of the people along the coast, especially the traditional fishermen, if you go by the law, their houses may not be legal. So they have a lot of worry about what is going to happen. So my suggestion was that for today's Gram Sabha, that we have a special Gram Sabha and also call the CRZ department, the pollution control board, everyone to explain to the people what is CRZ 2011 and what is coming now 2019 and what are the rules and how we can protect ourselves and not go beyond it. Sometimes we get notices and then everybody gets scared that what is happening, because our people, most of our people, especially the traditional fishermen and they are simple people, they do not understand this. So my request to the Sarpanch for this Gram Sabha was that we have a special Gram Sabha and have a discussion, so the people also understand. That should be a inclusive discussion among the villages, the CRZ, and so we also understand better. And if there is anything that we can save ourselves or save their houses, perhaps to declare Calangute as an urban area, the increase of FAR, something that can be done. So we'll also take suggestions from the experts and see how we can save. So I have asked for a special Gram Sabha. This is one of the things that was discussed, and the Sarpanch has assured the Gram Sabha that he is going to do so, and we will have a discussion on this.
येस सर आयची ग्रामसभेचेर कितें कितें इश्यूज मांडले लोकांनी.
There were about 8 suggestions. There is nothing much. The only thing is that main point was the court matter of 3 of 24 writ petition number in the High Court to illegal construction. त्याच्याच येयला आनी CRZ
हावजींग सोसायटीचो एक कितें
Housing society kind of, there is not an issue because at the last point any other subject or the housing society सांगले. So we have told her that we are taking care of it.
गटर आणि नलाचो जो इश्यू.
गटर नाल्याचो सगळो पॉयंट्स येयलेले आसा ते आमी एक्शन घेता आनी आमी देर इज नॉट इश्यू. वी हॅव डेडिकेटेड पॉयंट. आमी आतां ड्रेनेजीस नितळ केल्या फॉर टू बूस्ट एग्रीकल्चर. ऑल द मेजर ड्रेन्स आमी नितळ करता.
सर गेस्ट हाऊसचो एक इश्यू येयल्लो दॅट टुरिस्ट
गेस्ट हाऊस येयलेलो. सो इवन हांवें तांकां सांगलां आमी लायसन्स रिन्यू करिना म्हणून टू रिन्यू दीस लायसन्सीस इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाय. ती मॅटर कवर जाल्या उपरांत 3 of 24.
Any other issues were raised?
There is no other issue. There is everything. The panchayat thing was calm and cool,
So,
and there is not a problem.
Today's Gram Sabha was smoothly carried out.
Beg your pardon?
Smoothly carried out.
There is not an issue. Otherwise, it is also smoothly carried out. Not now.